Yorubo na nyo sa'yo. Guys, ito na yung part 8 ng mga vocabulary na sinusort out ko from book to na minimorize ko dati nung ako nag-exam. So, memorize at least 10 to 20 vocabs every day para may pasa yung exam or at least makakuha kayo ng malaki-laki na score. To kugulmukda, to eat chukok, sliced rice cake soup. Turujida, to fall from heights. Tulta, to drill. Tukupda, to be hot. Tolche, hand knit. Rumito, roommate. Lungnuzo polayo, lungnose pliers. Manel, garlic. Madi, burlap bag. Masiko, dust mask, gas mask. Mangigadwida, to expire. Malyudwida, to be expired. Mal, horse. Malda tumurada, to brawl. Marul kunida, to bring up. Mangche, hammer. Matda, to be hit. Ajumchi, heating disaster. Matchuda, to adjust. Midalin multikyungo, warning, hanging objects. Mohi, food. Munjobol puta, to have a job interview. Munjidwida, to be exempted. Musure, age. Muzungsap, trowel. Muzungul simda, to plant seedlings. Mokyokcha, witness. Mokchangkap, safety gloves. Mokche, lumber. Momkyonyong sangselkyunggo, warning, loss of body balance. Mot, nail. Mushichilida, to get break by a nail. Mugukyuel, unpaid time of this. Tsupsuzong, proper application. Chong, chisel. Chongniga chalduyo itta, to be well arranged. Chongnihada, to arrange. Chongdihada, to maintain. Chongitulta, to be fun. Chigongada, to offer, to provide. Chete, at the right moment. Chichakada, to make. Jijoo, manufacturing industry. Chugi kwikokada, to return early to home country. Churikigo, cooking equipment. Churipada, to assemble. Chuyongada, to be quiet. Chungida, to tighten up. Chuchurada, to adjust. Chuzungmit misang kyunsol zakop, bricklaying and plastering, polishing. Chutsirol chuyada, to take action. Chutuyada, to leave early. Chundin marulhada, to use honorific. Chunjungada, to respect. Chorye, officiant. Chumunso, an order form. Chuyada, to pay attention to. Chutek, house. Chulza, measure. Chungza, medium. Choksi, promptly. Chunggo, evidence. Chunggurul wakpuhada, to secure evidence. Chungyun sajin, identification picture. Chungin, witness. Chigupangpop, wage payment options.